Mel and I spend all this time working on projects like this, you get to meet some really kind of intense, young, eager students. And AJ is sort of the student equivalent to Nariman's energy. He kind of anchors the students. He's the guy we send to meet the TV people, the newspaper people. I've met his dad, and I understand where AJ gets his enthusiasm from. So I think, why don't I just bring up AJ and then let him tell you a little bit about his perspective working on this project. So AJ Elliott.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming out. I know it's a little hot, so I'll be a little quick. And we have plenty of students that are going to be stationed in the home to give tours at the conclusion. So my role on the project is an electrical engineer as well as public relations, but this project, one of the most amazing parts about it is the interdisciplinary aspect of it. So we've had almost every department here at Stevens involved in some level. Every discipline of engineering, architecture, design, business, communications, how we're getting the word out there about things. And really this collaborative effort starts at the top. President Favartan, I don't think there's any other teams we're competing against that have as many students on a first name basis with the president of their university as we do. So that's very impressive and really is a testament to the success of this project. So as I said, there's so many different involvements at different levels, and really that interdisciplinary aspect has been amazing. So in a college experience, we've had engineers working with architects to work through design challenges, which could not be a more applicable experience to have as they're entering the workforce in the coming years. And just to tell my background, so my father, who John pointed out, took me to the first solar decathlon I went to in 2007. Where I had the opportunity to see the different homes and really get inspired. And really, in the essence, it's 10 competitions, but in its essence, it's really encouraging schools to develop renewable energy-based homes that are very energy efficient, but not compromising on the aesthetics or the livability of these homes. And getting 20 or so schools to kind of give their take on that is a really awesome opportunity. And although we're going for first place, it's every team really brings amazing features to the table. So back in 2007, I saw the first decathlon. I was still in high school. I wanted to get involved in my undergrad studies, but unfortunately it's a very hard undertaking to do, the amount of coordination that you need to have and the support from the administration. So in 2013, I actually was visiting out in Irvine, California, touring the various homes, and actually came upon the Eco-Habit home, which was the 2013 submission for the solar decathlon, and from Stevens. And I was talking to a student out on the deck, very similar to this, that was in the graduate program underneath John Nastasi in the product architecture program here, and he sold me. Essentially, right after, I was unsure if following my undergrad degree whether I was going to pursue work or graduate school, and since this project kind of presented itself, I chose to come to graduate school at Stevens just to work on this. And I have about 5 graduate colleagues of mine in the graduate program here that did the same thing. So we've had an immense support. I mean, working day in, day out to really succeed with this project and hit all the marks. So we've blown away the Department of Energy on all of our submissions. We've been a day early on everything, and we're really setting the bar high. And really, I could go on for hours about features that we've included in this house, and I really encourage everyone to, when the students are giving tours inside, ask each student what their favorite feature of the home is, because there's dozens and dozens of features that we've incorporated on so many different levels of this house. But in closing, I'm really proud about how hard our team has been able to come together on this, and essentially taking a relatively inexperienced group working at a professional level and under deadlines that are even unheard of in industry. So we've really been able to make things come together, and we've had the support of the administration, all of our various sponsors, which has been amazing for a lot of our students to be able to play with cutting-edge technologies in their undergrad and graduate experiences, more so than people even out in industry do. And we're really excited to head out to the competition this fall and compete, and we're really shooting for first place. We got second place nationally last time, fourth place internationally, and we're really going for first place this time around. So we hope you're cheering us on this October, and please continue to follow us as the project proceeds. Thank you.
Yeah.